If you have heard that number 8 goes through a lot of struggles in life, or if you have heard, as per astrology, the planet Saturn, if you have the issues with that, then the life person faces a lot of obstacles and struggles. Well, I'm about to share that one remedy, whether you know your real date of birth or whether you understand your astro script or you're confused, you can still do and reap the benefits. Hi everyone, this is Jaya Karamchandani and welcome to Invincible Passion Talk Show. In this series on remedies for numbers, last week I shared on number 9. Today's about number 8. So if you're born on 8th, 17th and 26th of any given month, then from numerology perspective, you're number 8. So either you're born on 8th or the total date of birth of your date adds to 8. You will have impact of number 8. Or if you don't know your actual date of birth, or even if you don't have your astro script, but you know that you have constantly faced struggles and delays and obstacles in life. Anything that you have achieved in life, you really had to work very hard, even for the simple things. While others, they get it easily, for you, nothing has come easy. And if you're tired of that struggle and obstacles, or you have visited many astrologers or numerologists and you're confused actually and you don't get it that who is right, I hardly recommend stones, because stones have the impact. It could go either way. So if you have consulted someone who is well versed, who understands the implications of wearing stones, and you trust them, then it's great. But stones also incur a lot of expenses. But this is the remedy I'm about to share here. If you feel struggles in your life, you're not getting that promotions, not passing that exam, property or legal disputes, or you're going through many issues, then what you can do is this Vedic mantra, Om Sham Shaneshcharai Namah. If you chant starting any Saturday for 45 days after the sunset every day, you will see the relief in your life. If it is due to planet Saturn's position in your astro script or your number 8. Now, either way, 8 is the judge, gives you what you did previously. Now, what you reap is something that you gave earlier. It said the seeds of the karma comes back to you with interest if you're facing struggles of planet 8. Now, well, a lot of people struggle and they always wonder why the life is endless struggle. Number 8 is the teacher, is the guru. Number 8 is planet Saturn, the judge that will tell you, that teach you how to get over the problems that you have. But in order for you to learn, you really need to have that experience. Well, to minimize that impact, you can chant this mantra as I said, Om Sham Shaneshcharai Namah, starting Saturday for 45 days, but you chant this mantra after sunset. The bonus tip, before I share, do share this episode with your friends and family and let me know what struggles have you seen. If you are number 8, or if you know the planet Saturn's placement in your astro script is creating issues. Because if that is the placement of the planet Saturn, you may also feel pain in your knees or the area below the knees, or if it's due to planet Saturn, apart from other medical reasons, you will also feel that you have health issues constantly. Chanting this mantra, why it helps you? Because this is the Vedic beej mantra, the core mantra, and it is said that Brahmaji got this convincing that whoever chants this beej mantra, they will not get the negative impacts. A lot of times, if you're confused whether in your astro script or in your horoscope the planet's position is strong or weak, or you are just confused about it, chanting this mantra blesses or eases out those issues. Now, the bonus tip. I have also observed that those who have the issues with planet Saturn or the facing struggles in life, they never get much relief. They are always physically involved in doing things. Either they are the laborers or they are into the jobs where they have to do a lot of physical work. Or they have a lot of wealth, they are at home, but they are also physically involved in their business and at home. They don't get rest. Their mind is always thinking, but they're involved in so many things that they're exhausted. Their support system is not there where they won't be involved physically. That physical intensive work is also an indication that planet Saturn's negative impacts are upon you. or the number 8 struggles are persistent in your life, what you can do is, every obstacle and struggle is an experience, although it teaches you, but sometimes you feel like it's too much. Translate this hard work. So any opportunity you get in your life, if you can help in the church or the mosque or the temple, or even in gurudwaras when there is the weekly langar or the mass meals for everyone, try to go help in cooking, help whichever way they need, even in cleaning. Because if your physical labor, hard work is involved in the place where others go and eat or they serve the meals, then it translates that in your life you start getting some ease as well. You will get support from others, because in the end, Planet 8 is here to teach you the struggles you face. If you utilize that energy in the positive way, your life gets the positive experience as well. This is absolutely amazing tip. I have seen results, like miraculous results. Let me know which remedy you are trying, but put your faith in it. Do comment which remedy you tried, but your results, and do share it with your friends and family. Until next week, take care.